Assalamu alaikum friends, my name is Muhammad Yunus and I am Odoo technical developer. So if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe to our channel and also click the bell icon so that you can get the updates of the upcoming videos. So in the previous video we have added a tree view and we have discussed about how the priority works. In this video we are going to talk about how to specifically call a view now in the action with their ID. Okay, so let me just take an example of this course view, like course tree view. So what we will do, we will call this one of the view in this action, uh, and then we will see how it works. So like currently if I go to the debug mode and then go to the edit action, so here the view reference is empty, so we cannot see any specific view. So like in one of the initial video we have discussed how to add the view reference here, but in this case we will do it through a custom module. So like we have these two tree views, and currently it is picking this view as a default and the data is displayed by default in this view because the priority is the lowest. So what in some cases, like if you want to display the data in this view format, so you need to specifically call this view inside this action. So how you can do it? For example, what you need to do here is to add field and then name is equal to view ID, and then here you need to add the reference. So the reference would be the external ID of this view. Like this is the view that we need to display the data in, and like if currently we check the tree view, it is like uh, course 315, which is this ID, but we want to display the data in this format. So let me just add this external ID here and then close the tag. Okay, so this is how you can call a tree view inside the action. So then we just need to upgrade the module and it will just work. Okay, so go to the apps, search for the application and then click the upgrade button to upgrade the module. So after the module upgrade you will see the change. So let me just refresh this page. So currently you can see two fields. So let me just refresh the page and then let's see if you can see the difference. So here you can see only one field. Why? Because we have just defined one field in this view. So if we go to this debug icon and then edit action, so here you can see the view reference. This is that we have added here in this action. So this is how you can specifically call a view with their ID in the action, and it will display the data in this specific view format. So like if I add this view here, it will just update the view and the action also once we upgrade the module. Okay, like OD Open Academy, and this is it. You can just upgrade the module like this and then go here and then refresh the page. Okay, so we can see the view is not changed, and if we go here edit action, so here you can see this view. If we open it you will see the view, but if we go here and edit view list, here you can see the 15 ID of the view which we have mentioned here. So this is how simply you can call a view in the action by their external ID. So please if you enjoyed this video, please like this video and also don't forget to subscribe to our channel and also click the bell icon so that you can get the updates of the upcoming videos. Thank you.